children, how are you? Today we are going to study chapter 7 of your grammar book, the noun number. Read the following sentences. Children, you should be ready with your notebooks and pencils also. The boy was throwing a stick at the dog. The boys. Here we have written boy, and in next line we have written boys. Boy, boys. Was, were. Throwing a stick. Sticks. At the dog. At dogs. Clear? So this sentence is in singular. The nouns in this sentence like boy, stick, dog, they are in singular form. And in this line, the nouns are in plural form. Boy, boys, was, were, stick, a stick, sticks, dog, dogs. In the first sentence, the nouns boy, stick and dog stand for only one person, one thing, a thing or animal. So these nouns are said to be the singular noun. These nouns are said to be the singular noun. So what are singular nouns? Nouns that stand for only one person, thing or animal. In the second sentence, the nouns boys, sticks and dogs stand for more than one person, thing or animal. So, these nouns are said to be in the plural number. So, what we studied? Singular number and plural number. What are singular number? Singular number that stand for only one person, thing or animal. So these nouns are said to be in the singular number. And plural number, the nouns that stand for more than one person, thing or animal are called plural number. Now see the following pictures. Pencil, singular. Pencils, plural. Chair, a chair. Chairs, plural. So, we have studied in our previous chapter also, countable nouns can be singular or plural. We can count them. A pencil, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pencils. So, this we say singular and plural numbers. Now, how to form plurals? There are certain methods by we can form plurals. Most nouns form their plurals by adding s in the end. Look at these nouns. Bag, we will write bag and we will add s. Bag, bags. Balloon, balloons. Bone, bones. Cake, cakes. Case, cases. We are simply adding s. Face, faces. Finger, fingers. Flower, flowers. Horse, horses. Lamp, lamps. Now see children, nouns that end in ch, sh, s, double s, x. They form their plurals by adding es. How they form their plurals? By adding es to their singular. For example, bench. Ch is there. bench. Then add es. Benches. Branch. branch. So again branches. branch. es, branches. Then we have dish, dish, sh, dish. What we have to add here? Es, dishes. Clear, children? Then class, class, double s is there. Classes, class, classes. Fox, x is there. foxes, foxes. Now nouns that end in y form their plural by changing y into ies. See, for example, we have army, army. Y is there? arm. So we will omit y and we will add ies, armies. city, city. cit, omit y, add ies, cities. spy, spy. Same way, sp, we will leave y and we will add ies, spies. Clear? One more thing, next way to form the plurals, the words that end in vowel plus y, they form their plurals by adding s to the singular. For example, we have bay, bay. A is vowel and y in the end. So, bays, base. Okay, children. toy, toy. Y is in vowel and in the end is y. O is a vowel, y is in the end. So we will write toys, toys. Then we have tray, tray, tray. Again vowel and y, trays, trays. Understood? The nouns that have vowel plus y, they form their plurals by adding s. Next, children, the nouns that end in f or fe, they form their plurals by changing f or fe into ves. F and fe will change into ves. For example, we have calf, calf. F is there, we will write cal. We will omit this f and we will add ves, calves. Okay, children. Then half, 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 hal, and in place of f we will write ves, halves. Knife, knife. Now here f is there, what we will write? kni, and in place of fe we will add ves, knives. wife, wife. You should start writing with me. fi and instead wi and instead of fe we will write ves, wives. Children, some nouns are there that ends with f or fe. They form their plurals by adding only s in the end. By adding only s in the end. For example, brief. ef is there. Now we will not write ves, we will write brief, and we will simply add S, briefs. P-U double F, puff. P-U-double-F-S, puffs. R-double-O-F, roof. F is there. We will write R-double-O-F-S, roofs. Clear? C-A-F-E, cafe. F-E is there. C-A-F-E-S. Now children, there are some nouns that end in F, form their plurals by adding S or VES. We have studied in some nouns we omit F and we in place of F we write VES or simply S. But there are some nouns that can form their plurals by adding S or VS. For example, we have dwarf, D-W-A-R-F, dwarf. So we can write both D-W-A-R-F-S, dwarfs, or D-W-A-R-V-E-S. So this and this both are correct. Then we have scarf, S-C-A-R-F, scarf, S-C-A-R-F-S, scarves, or S-C-A-R-V-E-S. Both are correct. So in this case, both are correct. Adding simply S or omitting F and adding VES. Nouns that end in O. Children, now O. The nouns that end in O form their plurals by adding S. See, bamboo, B-A-M-B-O-O. O is there. B-A-M-B-O-O and add S. Canto, C-A-N-T-O, cantos. Cuckoo, cuckoos. Dynamo, dynamos. Hippo, hippos. Photo, photos. Piano, pianos. Ratio, ratios. Rhino, rhinos. Video, videos. Now some nouns that end in O form their plurals by adding es to the singular. Buffalo, we cannot, buffalo, buffaloes, es. Here O is there, we add es. Cargo, cargos. Mango, mangoes. Potato, potatoes. Some more examples are there. Eco, ecos. Flamingo, flamingos. Hero, heroes. Tomato, tomatoes. Tornado, tornadoes. Volcano, volcanoes. Children, you should go through this chapter and read all the nouns thoroughly. Then, but some nouns that end in O form their plurals either by adding S or ES. We have studied buffalo, buffaloes. We can also write as ES. So, B-U-F-F-A-L-O-S, correct? B-U-F-F-A-L-O-E-S. So, both we can write. Hello, hellos, halos, S-E-S. Mosquito, mosquitoes, S, mosquitoes, ES. Keto, ketos, or ES. So, in this case, we can add S or ES. Now, some nouns form their plurals by changing internal vowel. Children, how many vowels are there? 5. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. So, in this case, internal vowel is changed. Look at the example. M-A-N, man. A is in vowel, singular form, and in plural, M-E-N. A will change into E. E is also vowel. Men. Women, women. E instead of A, E is written. Foot. Now both will change. Double O, double E. Foot will become feet. Don't say foots. Foot, feet. Goose, geese. Tooth, teeth. Dormouse, door, M-I-C. Don't change this vowel here. D-O-R-M-O-I-C-E, dormice. Mouse, mice. O will change into I. Louse, lice. Now some nouns form their plurals by adding en or ren. En or ren to their singular. Child, we don't say childs. Yes, sometimes we write childs but apostrophes. Childs, children, en. Ox, oxen. Children, some nouns have the same form in both singular and plural. See example, aircraft, aircraft. We don't say aircrafts. Bison, bison. Carp, carp. Deer, deer. Equipment, equipment. Goldfish, goldfish. Reindeer, reindeer. Sheep, sheep. Some nouns have only plural forms. Name of the equipment says bellows. Scissors, we don't say give me scissor, give me scissors. But they have same, only one plural form. Binoculars, shears, goggles, spectacles, pincers, sunglasses, pliers, tongs, and name of some garments. Breeches, drawers, jeans, pants, pajamas, shorts, tights, trousers. Some nouns are spelt and spoken like plural but have singular meaning. Did you understand? Some nouns are spelt and spoken like plurals but have singular meaning. See, civics. Civics spelt and spoken like plural but the meaning is one. Like electronics, physics, politics, mathematics, billiards, droughts, measles, mumps. So let us do the exercise. Children, let me tell you one easy way to learn this. Read what we have studied in your book, all the nouns. You read them again and again. You will remember them in your mind. So let us do exercise. Are you ready with your pencil? Yes, and try to do it yourself and then tally with my answers. You will find out whether you understand it properly or you need some more practice. Just see, sheep, sheep. Don't write as sandwich, sandwiches, es. Story, you leave Y and write down stories. S-T-O-R-I-E-S. Stories. Cafe. C-A-F-E-S. Cafes. Deer. Deer. Rhino. R-H-I-N-O-S. Rhinos. Tornado. Tornado and then add E-S. Louse. Change the vowel. L-I-C-E. Lice. Canto, C-A-N-T-O-S, cantos. This is the revision that we have done. Bison, bison. Mouse, change the vowel, mice. Bone, bones. Add S. Scarf, so both are correct. Scarfs or S-C-A-R-V-E-S. S-C-A-R-V-E-S. Both are correct. Dress, dresses, E-S. Proof, proofs. Fs. Face, faces, F-A-C-E-S. Atlas, atlases, E-S. Jersey, jerseys, Y-S. Loaf, loaves, L-O-A-F-S or V-E-S. Both are correct. Hippo, hippos, S. Eco, ecos, E-S. Goose, these vowels will change into double E, geese. Man, men. Again change the vowel. Ox, oxen, en. Child, children. Cliff, cliffs, s. Monkey, monkeys. Trolley, trolleys. Brush, brushes, es. Balloon, balloons. Now we have to fill in the blanks by using correct singular or plural words. No dash of landslide is correct. News. No news. I bought a pair of dash to cut clothes. I bought a pair of scissors. Did you catch any dash? Did you catch any fish? Dash live on people's skin and in their hair. Lice. The cat has caught another. The cat has caught another mouse. A pair of dash drove the cart. A pair of oxen. You should brush your dash daily. Teeth. These articles of dash are very old. These articles of furniture are very old. The school has a very high teacher-student ratio. The school has a very high teacher-student ratio. It was 10 degrees below dash last night. 10 degrees below 0. It was 10 degrees below 0 last night. Next is use the singular forms of the nouns given in color in the following sentences. Make other grammatical changes if necessary. First is these writers have written many books. These children, start writing with me. Writers have written many books. Now what we have to do, we have to write the singular form. So these instead of these, the writers. Writer instead of have will change into has. Written many books, a book. A book. Many will change into a and books will change into book. Then see, second is men's lives are short. Men's lives are short. So what we will write the answer, instead of men's we will write man's. Lives will change into life. R will change into is. Short. Man's life is short. The students are writing in their notebooks. Can you do it yourself now? Yes. The students will change into student. The student, R will change into is. Writing in, there will change into his, and notebooks will change into notebook. The student is writing in his notebook. Then next is the children have balloons and toys. So we will write the answer. The children will change into child. Have will change into has. Then we have to add a. Balloon and a toy. Full stop. Next is both the opening batsman scored centuries. Now answer what we will write. Both the opening. We will write the, don't write both, the opening batsman is there. We will change the vowel. We will write batsman scored century. CENTURY, century. So children, note down this exercise in your book, revise the chapter, prepare the chapter well, and do practice again and again. So study well, take care, goodbye.